Welcome back to another update for the Saturday 22nd of July. Welcome to Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where the Bureau of Meteorology has some warnings in place, and we also acknowledge the severe weather impacting parts of the New Zealand. Starting off in New South Wales, a hazardous surf warning remains current for the following areas: the Byron, Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra, Batemans and Eden Coast. That's the hazardous surf warning, and it will remain in place for Sunday. Surf and swell conditions are expected to be hazardous across this period. There's also an advisory from the New South Wales Police Force Marine Area Command, and that is currently on the screen. We have a strong wind warning in Victoria for today. Port Phillip, Western Port, West Central and Central Gippsland Coast. However, a gale warning will be in place Sunday. And minus Port Phillip and Western Port for Sunday, the strong wind warning gets upgraded to a gale warning. For South Australia, South Central, Upper South East, Lower South East Coast, strong wind warning, and a similar one for Sunday. And this marine information does change. For Tasmania, gale warning is in place. Southwest coast, strong wind warning. Far northwest, central north coast, Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, upper east, lower east, south east, central west coast, and a small craft alert is in place for Central Plateau and Southwest Lakes. And the gale warning for Sunday gets expanded. For Western Australia, strong wind warning, Leeuwin, Albany, Esperance Coast. The latest Himawari view of the Solomon Islands. The latest 12-hourly rainfall via the Bureau of Meteorology across the forecast period, and we'll be having a close look the state of Tasmania, West Coast, area south of Perth, around to Esperance, Albany. And you can note the yellow and dark green rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and the activity moves into the state of Victoria and in part New South Wales. You can note the brown, the green, the yellow on the New South Wales Victorian border. Also the southwest corner of WA. And now we go to the total forecast of rain, and again, as mentioned, the west coast of Tasmania. A little bit of blue creeping into it. And over there in New Zealand, flooding has led to evacuations. Tamarin, T-A-M-I-N, I think that's the way it's spelled. The local authorities had to issue a state of emergency. The major highways have been severely impacted on, and power outages. Look at that west coast of Tasmania, a little bit of dark blue. Now look at the tropical cyclone probability outlook, and boy, what does one say about the global tropical scene? I think there are at least 10 or even 11 areas of interest, going by what's on the screen. And the East Pack, the West Pack is really firing up. And possibly the Atlantic. Now here's our latest position on the tropical scene, and thanks to Jason, who is our technical advisor. He's based in Perth, WA, and between Jason and I, we operate the AU channel, and this is the latest from Force 13. And finally, a look at the satellite view of the Southwest Pacific region and Eastern Australia. There will be more information across today and the weekend.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.